वॉरेन बफे सर ने एक इंटरव्यू में कहा था कि उनकी सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट फाइनेंशियल हैबिट बचपन में ही बन गई थी, जब उनके पेरेंट्स ने उन्हें समझाया कि कुछ काम आप इसलिए करते हैं क्योंकि वो आपकी जिम्मेदारी है, और कुछ काम आप इसलिए करते हैं क्योंकि आप एक्स्ट्रा अर्न करना चाहते हैं। ये एक सिंपल सा डिस्टिंक्शन है, लेकिन एक ये डिस्टिंक्शन आपके लिए और आपके बच्चों के लिए बहुत कुछ बदल देता है। सो here's a scene that happens in almost every household at some point of time. Your child is sitting on the sofa and आप उनसे 3 या 4 बार ऑलरेडी बोल चुके हैं कि प्लीज क्लीन योर प्लेट फ्रॉम द डाइनिंग टेबल, लेकिन nothing happens. But for the 4th time, you're frustrated, and then either out of desperation or inspiration, आपके मुंह से यही निकलता है, अगर आप अपनी प्लेट किचन में रख देंगे तो मैं आपको 20 रुपीज दूंगी। एंड लाइक मैजिक दे जंप आउट ऑफ द सोफा एंड दे क्लीन द प्लेट। नाउ प्लेट क्लियर्ड, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व्ड। बट नाउ यू आर इन अ ट्रैप, because tomorrow they won't clear the plate without 20. The next week they might ask for 30. They know how to negotiate. And the week after that they will ask, how much will you give me for cleaning my room? अब आप सोच रहे होंगे, did I just teach my child about earning, या फिर did I just accidentally teach them that helping at home is only worth doing if they get paid? Hey Senior Cubs, welcome back. This channel is for every adult who believes their child deserves to learn things the best schools in the world teach, but most regular schools never will. Today's question is one that every family faces at some point. Should you pay your child for doing chores? Now, my answer will surprise you, because it's not a yes or it's not a no, but it's something smarter than both. Now, before I share what I read in my study, I want to tell you something that changed how I think about the entire question. In every MBA program, या तो वो IIM अहमदाबाद में हो, या वॉटन स्कूल में हो, या फिर हार्वर्ड बिजनेस स्कूल में ही क्यों ना हो, there's a concept that is taught in every first year that shapes how every company in the world thinks about compensation. उसको बोलते हैं intrinsic motivation versus extrinsic motivation. मैं आपको शॉर्ट वर्जन में बताती हूँ। 1971 में एक स्टडी की गई। There was a psychologist called Edward Dacey at University of Rochester. उन्होंने एक सिंपल सा एक्सपेरिमेंट किया। 2 ग्रुप्स लिए बच्चों के, and they were asked to solve puzzles. Now, one group was paid for it, and they solved the puzzles happily during the session. But the other group was not paid for it. They were doing it just for fun. And then came the interesting part. During a break, when nobody was watching, the unpaid group kept solving puzzles for fun. And the paid group, they stopped. आपको क्या लगता है ऐसा क्यों हुआ? The payment killed the enjoyment. This became one of the most replicated findings in psychology. And when you pay someone for something they were already willing to do, the payment replaces the internal motivation altogether. Money becomes the reason. And when the money stops, so does the behavior. जब तक पैसा मिलता रहेगा, काम होता रहेगा। पैसा बंद, काम बंद। Now think about that in the context of your child clearing their plate. And here's an insight that goes unnoticed. Indian families actually have an advantage here. In most Indian homes, especially joint families, the default culture value is घर का काम सब करते हैं. Everyone contributes. Nobody gets paid for it. That is a cultural instinct. It's actually exactly what the research supports. The Harvard Grant study, the longest running study for human development spanning 85 years, found that one of the 2 strongest predictors of adult success and happiness was work ethic. And the best way to build work ethic? Chores done as family contribution, not chores done for money. And good news, you're already closer to the right answer than you think. You just need one small framework to make it intentional. So here's where it gets interesting, because the answer isn't never pay. The answer is more nuanced and it's actually very elegant. Let me show you. आप सोचिए दिवाली की प्रिपरेशन के बारे में। हर साल बिफोर दिवाली होल फैमिली वर्क्स। हमें घर भी साफ करना है, हमें पूरा फर्नीचर रीअरेंज करना है, डस्टिंग करनी है, पर्दे धोने हैं, लाइट लगानी है, रंगोली बनानी है। किसी को इस चीज़ के लिए कोई पेमेंट नहीं मिलता है। नोबडी आस्क्स फॉर पेमेंट अबाउट इट। बट सोचिए, अगर मैं ही मम्मी से बोलने जाऊँ कि मुझे 50 रुपये दे दो लाइट लगाने के लिए, रंगोली बनाने के लिए, मुझे ही डंडे पड़ेंगे। नोबडी सेज मुझे 50 रुपये दे दो सफाई के लिए। ये हर घर का काम होता है, सब करते हैं, ये हमारी जिम्मेदारी है। दिस इज फैमिली कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन। You do it because you're part of the family. Because the family functions better when everyone helps. Because this is how team works. Consider a family like a team where everyone has their own responsibility and role to follow and fulfill. अब आया कहानी में ट्विस्ट। आप सोचिए, आपको या फिर आपकी बच्ची को बहुत अच्छी रंगोली आती है बनानी, और बगल वाली आंटी ने पूछा क्या आप मेरी रंगोली भी बना दोगे? या फिर आपका बच्चा ऑफर्स टू हेल्प द लोकल शॉप अरेंज देयर दिवाली डिस्प्ले, या फिर दे वॉलंटियर्स टू क्लीन एंड ऑर्गेनाइज द सोसाइटीज कॉमन एरिया फॉर अ स्मॉल फी। ये एक डिफरेंट बात हो गई। दैट्स एक्स्ट्रा, दैट्स अ इनिशिएटिव, दैट्स वेयर एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप स्टार्ट्स। दिस इज योर इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ टेलिंग योर चाइल्ड दैट this is your work, this is what you do extra, and that is the distinction that changes everything. Researchers and financial educators from Daniel Pink, who wrote the best-selling book Drive, to Ron Lieber, who writes about kids and money from the New York Times, have arrived at the same framework. They call it different things, but it boils down to two buckets. Bucket one is family responsibilities, family contribution. These are never paid: making your bed, clearing your plate, putting your shoes where they belong, helping set the table, tidying up your room, helping in the kitchen. Your child does these things because they are a member of the family. That's not optional. That is non-negotiable. That is non-transactional. वो घर का काम है। ये वो काम है जो आप इसलिए करते हैं क्योंकि आप घर का एक हिस्सा हैं। But bucket 2, extra earning opportunities. These can be paid, like washing the car, deep cleaning a specific room maybe once in a month, organizing the entire storeroom, helping family with a family project that would otherwise require external help. Now, doing a task that goes above and beyond the daily baseline. Your child does these things because they want to earn something extra. And this teaches the work-money connection. Effort produces income. This is earning. Daniel Pink put it perfectly. He said, allowances help kids learn to manage money. Chores help kids develop the sense of contributing to the family. I want you to listen to this once more because this is the learning that made me create this video. Daniel Pink ऐसे समझाते हैं, allowances help kids learn to manage money. Chores help kids develop the sense of contributing to the family. But when you combine them, when you pay for chores, you take an opportunity to build character and turn it into a transaction. The two-bucket framework keeps both lessons alive. Your child does responsibilities and they learn earning, but in two separate lanes. This is how every well-run company works too. किसी को टाइम पे आने के लिए बोनस नहीं मिलता है. That's the baseline expectations. But exceeding your targets, that's what gets rewarded. Your household work the same way. Here's what I want you to try this weekend. It's called the two-bucket sort. You need a piece of paper, a pen, और अपने बच्चे के साथ बैठिए आराम से 5 to 6 minutes उनको बोले कि हम इस बारे में बात करें. What you're about to do is something most companies spend thousands on consultants to figure out. You're going to design a fair, clear system for work and reward in your household. And your child is going to help you build it. Think about it. It's not a small thing. Not everyone is thinking about it. And when you're doing it, you're actually special and moving ahead in the direction. Draw a line in the middle of the paper, write family on the left side, earning on the right side. Say this to your child. We're going to figure out something together. Some tasks in our home are family tasks. हम लोग सब मिलके उसको करते हैं because we're a team. And some tasks are earning tasks where you can make some extra money. हम ये सब साथ में बैठ के डिसाइड करेंगे कौन सी बकेट में जाएगा. Your child will be very interested in this. Children love fairness. They love being involved. They love being included in role making. उनको बहुत मज़ा आता है. उनको लगता है कि उनके पर्सपेक्टिव को भी उतनी ही वैल्यू दी जा रही है एंड कोई डिसीजन उनके ऊपर थोपा नहीं जा रहा है. Now, सिंपल स्टेप 2, साथ में ही राइट डाउन द फैमिली टास्क जो भी हम लोग करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मेकिंग योर बेड, clearing the plates, putting away their school bag, helping set the table for dinner and lunch. These go in the family bucket. You can explain to them that these are the things we all do because we live here together. Nobody gets paid for this, not even me. मुझे भी कोई आपको खाना बनाने के लिए या फिर डिनर बनाने के लिए पे नहीं करता है. ये फैमिली का काम होता है. This is why, this is how we function together as a team. This is how we show that we love each other and we stay together as a team in a family. But now step 3, it is the fun part. Together, सोचिए ऐसे कौन कौन से काम हो सकते हैं जो कि हम अर्निंग बकेट में रख सकते हैं. आप कौन कौन से काम करते हैं वीकेंड पर जो जिसमें आपके बच्चे आपकी हेल्प कर सकते हैं. What extra tasks could your child do to earn money? Washing the car, maybe organizing a cupboard, watering the plants, helping with the cleaning project for particular room or storeroom, something like that, and agree on a fair price for each one. Let your child suggest the price first, and you'll be surprised how reasonable they are. Your child will probably negotiate. That is where the first learning starts. Maybe they say 20 and you say 10, then they say 15. So negotiation is also what they're learning from this exercise. Now step 4 and final step, stick this paper on the fridge or a wall where everyone can see it. और आप यही बोलेंगे, this is our family agreement. Family tasks happen every day, no matter what. Earning tasks are your choice. Whenever you want to earn extra, then watch what happens over the next week. Your child will do the earning tasks with more energy than you ever see. And the family tasks, they will start doing those without being asked because the expectation is clear and it's not tied to the money anymore. For most of us growing up, money was either something nobody talked about or something that came with conditions. जैसे मुझे बोला गया था कि 10th में 95% मार्क्स लेके आइए, आपको स्कूटी मिल जाएगी. सब कंडीशनल था, कुछ भी फ्री नहीं था, बस प्यार बहुत ज़्यादा था. प्यार हर वर्ग के था. I am not blaming my parents. They did what they knew and they did best in that. But I think about how different my relationship with money and with work could have been if someone had just drawn a line between a piece of paper and told me that this side is what our responsibility is and this side is earning. Both matter, but they are different roles to play in our life. What you're doing with your child right now, you're giving them what clarity 20 years ahead of where most of people find it. That's not small. That's years of confusion you're preventing them from. Now, the single most important takeaway, don't ask, should I pay for chores? Yes or no. Ask instead, which tasks are family contributions, family responsibilities, and which are earning opportunities. There are 2 different buckets, but there's just one conversation, a framework your child will carry for life. This is something that is how you pass on the culture of a family from generation to generation. And we just don't get to see this. But most top 1% of families are following this. सोचिए, अगर किसी ने आपको बचपन में यही समझाया होता कि आप कुछ काम इसलिए करते हैं क्योंकि वो आपकी जिम्मेदारी है और आप कुछ काम इसलिए करते हैं क्योंकि वो मेहनत का पैसा है, उसके लिए हमें एक्स्ट्रा रिवॉर्ड मिलना चाहिए. ये 2 अलग अलग चीज़ है, दोनों इंपॉर्टेंट है लाइफ में. एंड आई एम श्योर उसके बाद आपको भी लगता है कि काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें सिंपल है, राइट? आज आप अपने बच्चों को वही क्लैरिटी दे रहे हैं. ये कोई छोटी बात नहीं है. आई हैव पुट टुगेदर समथिंग फॉर यू. इट्स कॉल्ड द फर्स्ट मनी टॉक गाइड. It's a free step-by-step guide that walks you through exactly how to start talking about money with your child for every age group. The conversation we did today, the 2 bucket sort, that's one of the activities inside. But there are more. Link is in the description. It's free. Try this one this weekend. Now, if this helped, subscribe. I post a new episode every week and each one gives you one practical activity to try with your child. I am doing this differently with my child and I want you to do this with me together.